You're watching How Leap. Let's transfer a playlist from Spotify to YouTube Music. You must use a free third-party transfer website because there is no direct button. On a computer or your phone's browser, search for Spotify to YouTube Music transfer. Websites like Tune My Music or Soundias are popular options. Open the website and click Start or Let's Go. You will be asked to connect your Spotify account. Click the Spotify logo and log in to authorize the service. Next, connect your YouTube Music account. Click the YouTube Music logo and log in with your Google account to authorize it. Now, select the Spotify playlists you want to transfer. The website will list them. Check the box. Next to your playlist, click Start Transfer or Begin Migration. The website will copy the songs over. This can take a few minutes. When done, open your YouTube Music app to find your new playlist in the library section. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.